Alright, damn, this is new to me. I'm a vlog. But today, guys, we're gonna build a PC. After like 5 or 6 months, we finally have it. And I moved to another place. I used to live in an apartment, now we're living in a mobile home. And this is gonna be my setup right there. I got all my figures right here. I'm gonna head to Jonah's house, one of my closest friends. We're gonna build this PC with me. It's gonna be crazy. Yes, sir. We got everything secured. Now we gotta head to Jonah's house, aka my boyfriend. I meant my friend. I don't know who said that. My phone might be glitching. We have made it to his house. He will come out through those doors right now. And why can I not zoom in? It's okay. In 3, 2, 1, 1. There we go. The man, the myth. Oh, hold on. The legend. My dog. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I did not know she broke.
Yo, you good?
I'm fucking done.
Yo, ew. Ooh, dude, that's clean.
These are all the power connectors to make the LED lights work and everything. The fans are all here. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
What else? I think we're gonna put your thing in here.
Alright, bro.
Power supply too goes in here.
Nice. Alright, now I'm just gonna watch you. Ooh, let's see the peel.
Alright.
Now it's satisfying. Nice, bro. No, you can just keep all of it.
Alright. Get started with the good stuff.
Alright, bet. And I'll break everything.
Okay.
Dude, I had my beats for like 3 years and... Alright guys, we're getting everything set up.
Alright, I'm gonna be on this.
Bro, I opened this yesterday and I thought this was the mic until it was the motherboard. And I was like, what the hell? It didn't even give me a notification about it. Well, I was so hyped. And then when I opened it, I had to text in the group chat to tell you.
Yeah, I saw that.
And then guess who texted?
Who? RJ?
Yeah, I was like, bro, this dude's still awake. That is crazy, bro.
Dude, RJ is crazy.
I should have. Yeah. Hey, don't ever do that again.
My bad, Daddy.
Yo, what?
Wrong friend group.
Alright. Now I have to see you too, G. Alright, bet. There, guys. Jonah's streaming it too. You guys are witnessing greatness. Oh. Alright, bet. You're dumb.
Shut up, Pat.
You're dumb, bro. Yeah, shout out the Modeler shirt.
This is fire. Okay. And we are live.
Yes, sir.
So always with the what wasn't here?
Oh, this is,
Oh, yeah.
I thought I lost it for a second.
Alright, always when you're starting to build a PC. Also, we got the case right here. But when you're always building a PC first, first what comes served. Always get the motherboard.
So are we gonna kiss after?
Yeah, we are definitely going to kiss after. Always get the stuff that's in the bag.
Yeah.
There you go. Who the fuck uses CDs no more? CDs not. And once you there,
Peep the stream. Y'all follow
there
Try Hard Peak.
That's in.
Hey, okay. Okay.
Take the other one.
Uh-huh.
Same thing, but you know how... Actually, pop quiz, guys. Khalid,
Oh,
where
okay.
would you put this at? Which one?
This one.
Which one?
The second one.
Which one?
What do you mean, which one?
Which one? This one or this one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
You've been
hey,
doing
I'm
your
like
research.
that. I'm like
You're
that.
doing your research?
Yes.
There you go. Locked in.
Yes, sir.
That's how we are. We locked in.
Yeah, we're locked in.
All right, so we got these done, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Wait, so I don't need more of these?
No,
Oh, okay.
it's good enough.
What is that?
Sticky.
Let him cook.
Let him cook.
Let him cook.
Let him cook, man. Shoot another rocket. Guys, he's healing. He's healing. Nice aim. So.
Oh, okay.
Dude has the OG guns too and everything.
Yeah.
And then he even has the people just fucking spam building.
I know, right?
But you're just gonna stay up there.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck, bro. How do you hit me? Bro, you're such a fucking tryhard. Fuck this, bro.
Alright, hey, the PC now.
This guy has no fucking life. I'm about to hang his dogs. Bro, fuck that, bro.
My man's choked.
Fuck, bro.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I wanna kill myself.
Oh,
I
shoot.
wanna fucking kill myself.
Hey. Hey, update guys, I forgot this at my house, so I have to go over there back.
Alright, guys. Back to
Alright.
the PC.
Yeah, I did.
Back to my fucking trash ass life, man.
Alright, this is our progress, guys. Yo, hey, watch yourself.
Shut up, you stupid.
Alright, guys, this is the progress that we have. It's taking about like 20 days to do.
Shut the fuck up. At least it's getting done.
Yeah, I was just playing.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hey, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. And then I don't know what that is, but Jonah's doing it. He's coming in clutch. Yo. Alright. This is where history happens, guys. Wait, can it see on the street? Oh, yeah. There we go. Alright, let's see. Oh, you're just checking, making sure? Yeah. Alright, bet. The moment of truth.
Yo.
Bro, what? What's happening?
Wait, hold on.
Bro. Alright, the moment of truth again.
Wait, did I click on the wrong one? Wait, hold on.
Alright, hold on, guys.
Yeah, I didn't plug it in all the way right.
Bro.
I didn't plug it in all the way right. I'm so stupid.
Wait, let me see. Put the camera in there, John.
These fans are working. These fans aren't. Really what it
Yo,
is?
update. Almost done. Dude, we're close. Yo.
Tell me which light it's off.
This is the update video of the PC. I am clearly in the car, had to do stuff, but Jonah and his dad started working on it and he called that he finished it completely, so I'm excited to head to his place right now and check out the masterpiece we have created. Or he created, you can see he freaking did it. But you know what? We created it because I'm just built different, right? Yes, sir, Jonah.
Wait, where's the back part where you could have a stand? Did it come in with it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my god. Wait,
Jonah completed the setup. We're gonna turn it on right now, huh? It's in my room.
Get it. Go get it. Where's the bookie?
Yes, sir. It's coming together. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished product after it's done. Right, Jonah?
I hate.
It's time.
Where's his door at?
We're not gonna talk about it. Cut the camera. Cut the camera.
Alright. Tip number 2.
Take 2. It's time for greatness. He's nutty. Dude, finally. Now we have both of the computers on us.
Hey, that's crazy, but where's your door? Dude, it is.
Look in the back of the PC.
It is 12:15 a.m. I still need to go to school tomorrow.
Hey,
I'm so fucking tired.
Jonah came in clutch. And look behind the thing. Rainbows. Sheesh. Dude, look at that. Peep the room. This is my gaming room / anime room. Mini fridge. But yeah, guys. This has to be the best thing ever. Yes. Look at my boy Jonah. Freaking helped me out with so much. Yep, he helped me out with all the pieces. I appreciate him. I'm gonna start doing YouTube now officially because I'm just built it. Build it.
He's gonna suck my dick.
Yes. I can't wait to play in any games, scary games, all that. All because of this dude that helped me. Isn't that right, Jonah?
No.
This dude. Heck yeah, this is a cool YouTube video. I've been wanting to do this with them. And we finally got it done. Guys, quick update. The PC. There was a problem with the PC. It didn't work for 4 days because the motherboard was something wrong with it. But you know what?
I'm going on Game Live. On Game Live.
And you know what? Guess what happened? Oh shit. It works. We got it working.
Dude, it's even wireless too, so that's
Yes.
what you wanted, right? Dude,
Yo. We did it! It's finally completed. Officially it's completed. Oh shit. Yo. Alright, for real guys, it's actually completed now.
It's downloading the drivers.
Oh yeah, it's downloading. We finally did it. With the help of my boy Jonah and his dad, we completed it. This road to building this PC was dog shit, but we did it.
We had the ups and downs.
We did. So it took 4 days.
4 days.
No progress. Yeah, 4. Yo!
Anyways, 4 days.
Yeah, 4 days.
So basically we built it and then literally it wasn't working because of the give me a break.
Oh shit, my fault.
It wasn't working because of the Wi-Fi, but now we got an adapter.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hold on, don't look over here.
Yeah.
We got the Wi-Fi adapter, now it works!
Yes.
So, give me a frame again. What the fuck are you doing?
My fault.
Anyways, so now it works, and now I'm about to show you the cool custom design that I'm gonna get for you.
Dude, I hope everyone enjoys this video because this was a pain.
Pain in my
This was
ass.
sadness because we thought this didn't work anymore. This was like so pointless. I was gonna stop streaming, playing games. But you know what? We made it out, right, Jonah?
Yes, sir. It was honestly my fault with the PC, but you know what? I came through. He came through. I promised Lena. I said I'm gonna get this shit working. Trust.
And you know what happened?
I fucking did it.
Yes, sir.
I signed into your Microsoft account. Oh shit! That's a special guest tonight.
Oh yeah, special guest. My cat Mia.
You know you're
Jonah's setting it up for me.
That's at the end, guys.
Yo, and we up, guys. We up. Dude, you guys don't understand how long it took for me to do this. Tell him, Jonah.
No, me? No,
Yo.
Got my nail painted. I'm kind of feel like a girl.
Yo,
Every time I jerk off, it'll be a girl.
Yo!
Think about it.
Yo, what is this? Sir! Oh, shoot. Thank you, Jonah, for, dude. Thank you, dude. Thank you, bro. Oh, shit. My fault. Yo! Nah, appreciate it, bro. He did it for me. He set up everything for me. I'm gonna start streaming and then posting more YouTube on this now. So I'm excited to do that. I'm gonna try my hardest to upload every day if I can. And Jonah's gonna be playing the games with me also. But I hope everyone enjoys this freaking random ass YouTube video. we thought we would have like finished it whenever we built it, but we had so many problems. We had like 4 days to figure out what was going on. We could not, but now everything's working fine. I got Asta, shout out Black Clover, one of like the best new gen animes. But yeah, I hope everyone enjoys this video. This video is so dumb but funny as heck because this man's right here.
I think your internet went out.
Alright, bruh. But peace out. Hope y'all subscribe. Give it a
I think
like.
I'm joking, right?
Oh.
I think your internet went out.
Dude, you're lying.
Easy internet, guys. It went out.
But it still works. Don't worry. Alright, y'all leave a like. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Deuces.